The recent reforms of the United Nations system provide an opportunity for the Office of the Resident Coordinator to work more closely with the Member States and in a more proactive manner. As this framework agreement is implemented, it will support Mauritius in working towards its SDGs commitments, and in July this year, during the high-level political forum of the United Nations Economic and Social Council, Mauritius presented its first voluntary national review report regarding the 17 goals contained in the 2030 UN Agenda for Sustainable Development. The presentation of our voluntary national review report came at the most opportune moment as we embark on this partnership.